Good morning and happy Wednesday. Hey, this is what we have in store for you today. This is your first slide. I do miss you very much, and I can't wait to see you in our video chats, which, by the way, I'll have the schedule here on this slide. And our first slide is our social emotional learning. This is such a cute story. When Picasso met Matisse, this is a cute story about two artists that meet. So this is a must do, as you notice. So you may have watched the video yesterday of the book, but nobody posted on Padlet. That's a must do. Excuse me, not Padlet, Flipgrid. So I need you to listen to the story, cute story about two artists. And then you're going to, since today is Create Wednesday, I'd love for you to share with the class on Flipgrid what you're good at creating. I'm personally not good at creating as much as I am as if I see something, I can duplicate it. I think that's fun. So I want you to share that. Here are your choices for today. I'm going to scoop this over here. You get to bring a drawing to life with Drawing for Kids Games apps too. You may have to download this app, and that's okay because it's a school approved app. So you take a drawing, make the drawing, and then you can bring it to life. Sounds fun. I've never done that before. Smokey says good morning. Your next choice, play a coding game with Scratch Junior. If you haven't been in my coding club, try this. It's so much fun. We sometimes use Scratch Junior in coding, and I challenge you to give it a try. I'm going to scoop this up because maybe you'll want to take my coding club this year, or excuse me, this next year. Your next choice, creative conductor. Conduct your orchestra from your computer. Wow, that sounds like a lot of fun. Click on the link, it'll take you there. Or play Follow the Code, another coding game. And the links are here. And remember, a must do, a requirement is go to Padlet, post a picture of what you did. I have to change that, what your creation is. So go ahead and make a choice. Have fun today. So there's two things I want you to do. You're going to listen to the story and post on Flipgrid. Then you're going to choose an activity. Can you choose more than one? Absolutely. Just maybe one and done is all you have time for today or energy. That's fine. Pick a couple. And then if you're ready for more, here's websites to visit. Here's apps that you can upload and play on. Khan Academy Kids, I didn't know that was an app. So see what you find. And here's some podcasts. Ooh, bedtime history. Story Pirates. That sounds fun too. So be sure and go through all the slides. There's all of 5. And I'll have to change this too. You weren't a scientist, you were a creator today. So have fun with this today. Again, I'll have the schedule for who I'm chatting with today to say goodbye. And when you have your chat with me, be ready to share what your favorite memory from second or third grade was. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.